Good morning, innovators. This is how I'm gonna call you, because these videos are actually a guide for innovators or for startup founders who wants to know more about the Bay Area and how they can expand their business using the infrastructure that is here. I finish my jog today. I end up in a park, a very beautiful park, just on the edge of the bay, with views towards the Golden Gate and to Alcatraz. A lot of people walking their dogs here. I haven't seen many people with kids, but overall very nice park. This is gonna be again a full day. We're gonna spend the day in a different co-working space, also in the downtown. I'm gonna take you with me, and you're gonna see a lot of interesting stuff. I'm in the hotel, about to leave towards another co-working space where we're gonna spend the day. I'm just checking the schedule as always, and it looks that is in the same district, in the financial district, on the same street, on the Market Street. It's called Bespoke, and it's inside a mall, inside the Westfield Mall. As I mentioned before, Bespoke is a co-working space situated inside a mall. We are very early and the mall is empty. It's 9 o'clock, the mall is gonna open at 10 o'clock. We're tricky to find our way in. However, this is it. It's inside the mall. Another interesting fact is that inside the same mall, there's also a university, the San Francisco State University. So imagine you're going to the mall, then to a university, then to the co-working space. Super cool. Let's go for the breakfast. First session today was about marketing. We have the former director of marketing from Yelp, Mr. Nish, who walked us through how to build a legacy around your brand, how to build the early adapters, how to build the company culture, and overall a culture around your brand. Another takeaway from this session was to sacrifice the users that are not engaged and to focus on the users that are engaged. Even if you have less users, it's better to focus on those users that get engaged by your platform, by your product, and they will grow the product more than having many users which don't use the product. Other than that, Bespoke is much better co-working space than the one that we've been yesterday. At least that's what I think. I can say that the environment here lights up the working spirit. Facilities are much better, like this room where you can just come and sit and relax. There is no light, everything is dark. You can even sleep here. There's some beds around here. Very cool.
I'm Sebastian. My company is LoadMe, and we're matching trucks and loads across the Middle East with an online platform. 6 years ago, when I went to Dubai, I was shocked to see that we have a highly fragmented market in the transport, especially in the road transportation industry. That's why we built LoadMe, a transport management system that is merged with the marketplace. It is actually a dynamic environment that is taking real-time information from mobile apps, GPS tracking, to match load owners with empty trucks that are available in their area in real time. Using our system, transporters make more money because they increase their chance to find loads for their return trip. Load owners, they get the best deals within minutes with no effort. This is the team that make it all possible. I started my career in logistics with General Motors 15 years ago in Europe. We're originally from Romania, and then moved to Dubai to continue my career in logistics. After 3 years in that market, I've launched LoadMe, and one of the investors is DP World, which is the largest fleet, the largest port operator in the world. They lease 70 ports around the world. We're the winner of many contests in the region, and we've been featured in most of the magazines. Thank you very much.